Hey guys, T here. You ever been in a situation where you want to plane down the face of a board, but you got no bench stop on your bench? And you don't want to put any more holes in the bench. You already got enough in there already. I know the answer, and I know it can happen right away. Go in your stash and find an old hinge. It's got to be a big old hinge. You got one in there, you know you do. So I'll show you what to do with it. Please subscribe. Let's get to work. Okay, here's what you do. You just put that big old hinge in the end of your vise. Tighten that boy up. So that's my bench stop. I used an old hinge. I just took the cap off so it would be flush, and that was it. So you slap this boy in your vise, grab your jack plane, a piece of wood, plane away. So a real quickie. Hey, thanks guys for tuning in. Please subscribe. I'll see you real soon.